guys, that is feed mixer.
I know you're wondering, how did we get here? Let's find out. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning here at the farm, and I'm actually at the gate waiting for my co-founder. I just received a call informing me they are on their way. So I'm actually on the lookout so their vehicle don't pass here. They have never been here, so this is their first time, and I'm so excited. Now apparently the nature decided to open up and I can actually see them. They're just right there. And the moment of defining history for AfriFarmer just arrived.
Hey, James!
Look at that. Yes, the machines are actually arriving at the farm for the first time. It's just unbelievable, right? Look how beautiful and how majestic they are. Well, let's see. We're just getting into the farm, and trust me, I'm so excited. Now, at this moment, we have to make sure now we remove the machine piece by a piece. We got to ensure they are well taken. But then, how are we going to remove the biggest machine? And we're just having a quick 1-2 with James, and we are actually in luck because apparently we're within institution, so we are able to ask for that help from the local guys, and I'm actually so excited that they were able to come. Otherwise, if it was just for 3 of us, it could have just been a difficult task. Look at that, just beautiful, right? And now the biggest of them. Wow. After hours, we were able to remove it, and it's time for assembly. We have our engineer right there working on them. And look how beautiful that machine is. When I say this is the defining moment for AfriFarmer, trust me, it's one of those moments happen once in a lifetime, and you can tell. So what right there they're fixing is called feed mixer, and they're also setting the base for the feed mill. Now this will be crucial for our operations. One is we'll need to be able to crush the big particles as well, such as the seed cake and everything. And the engineer seems to be like really good at what he does. He's really immersed in the whole process. And now it's time for electrical installations, so that we can be able now to see if machines are actually working. So this is actually a single phase. Look at that. I bet by the end of the day, I'll become, a technician as well. because considering the amount of the time I'm spending looking at how everything is done, I'm getting more knowledge on the same. Now this is the last step of connecting the power lines so that we could be able now to go on. Now the moment now the feed mill is almost, so now it's being connected to the power as well, and we'll be done in a few. Look at that. Engineer is very keen to ensure that everything is done in the right way, and we are actually almost done. Wow, look at that. And everything has been done now for the feed mill. Look at that, and it's on, guys. Was that voice? Yes, it was a voice. It's confirmed, actually. The power is in. Oh my God. This is really exciting, and nothing beats this. Wow. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Yeah, and the second one, it's on. Wow. A little bit of confirmation, and it's all checked out. Gentlemen, we have a deal.
This is the test number one. We have actually finished the installations of the machines, and right away we want to see are our machines working or not working. So let's do this. I'm being told the green one is supposed to say start, and actually this is like my first one. So I know you're also waiting for this one. We are going to do 1, 2, 3. Hear that sound? That's amazing sound. So guys, we actually done with the first test, and now we are coming to the big baby right here, and this is what excites me also. This is the feed mixer, as I had previously explained during the installation. So with this one is whereby we'll be able to be adding different ingredients to be able to finally get what we need. So where do we start this one? Wait a minute, we actually don't start this machine from this point. We actually started from this other end because, well, as the engineer explained, well, each machine has a different status. So on to machine number 2. That's danger, right?
Yes, that is it.
So we go for this one, number 1.
Yes, number 1. Yeah.
Alright, and guys, I know you're waiting, but take it in. 1. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Amazing stuff, right? Wow. So, where does the material come from?
The material comes from
Go on. So, obviously, the infection will come from this way. And this come closer. So, now what you do is you'll be adding different raw materials here, as you can be able to see. You see that? Now, obviously this is being connected with this one. So this one is just for the demonstration. And maybe just you can be able to zoom in the way it's actually working. Just a little bit. This machine is being explained, right? Alright. Fantastic. Thanks. See that one, guys? That is the feed mixer. So guys, so we have actually been able to mix our feeds using, well, the feed mixer. Now, the last bit is, well, we want to see if we can be able to make pellets, which, as you know, this is what we tend to use here at the farms. And the right machine for that is this baby, well, right here. So obviously now what we are going to do is, there's some of the raw materials which we'll be using, and obviously it's not like concrete. So I'm going to put it in here, and then here there is, well, the outlet, and this is whereby we're going to see if, well, we'll be able to make pellets.
And as usual, the engineer goes to his craft. He has to tighten a little bit thing. He has to tighten a few bolts here and there to ensure it's in good working condition. Look at that. The pellets are loud. Unbelievable, right? Wow. Look how beautiful the milling is going on and the results. I bet this was one of the happiest days in my life. Not just consulting the engineer about few issues about the pellets, getting to quiz him. By now I have 100+ questions and just seeking clarifications on his end. Wow. Look at that. Who would have thought 1 year in since we kickstarted our business, we'll be here. Just unbelievable. It's been such a journey, and wow. Huge shout out to Enemy for the installations and for their wonderful work. But again, I'm truly grateful to Widow Africa for helping us be able to set up the whole program. I'll be talking about Widow in my next vlog. This would have not been possible without them. Thank you. See you on the next one.